Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to lock your profile on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Facebook application if you want, of course, if you don't have it on your phone actually. But if you do, ignore that. If you don't, go download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this steps or this tutorial steps. So here, after launching the Facebook, you will find here your home or main screen, and of course here you will find the post of your friends maybe, or your post, the posts of the groups that you joined, the pages that you like, join, follow, and etc. stuff like that. So how can you actually lock your profile on Facebook? It's simply by going to your settings. How can you do that? It's simply by clicking at the three lines at the top right corner. Then go and navigate to your settings by clicking at the settings at the top icon, of course settings icon at the top right corner. Or you can just go scroll down, click at settings and privacy here, then click at settings. Of course here you would like to scroll down until you find this audience and visibility section. Here then you would like to go and click at profile locking. So here for me, I already locked my profile, so let's just unlock it real quick to show you how to lock it. So let me just go back to like settings and scroll down into that, and then click at profile locking. So here, if I just go and click at lock my profile, I'll just wait a bit until it's locked. Then as you can see here, you locked your profile. So that's how you actually lock your profile on Facebook. That will be for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.